मिस मेमाने, कह दो कि तुम मेरे दिल में रहोगी.
No.
I'm asking you one simple thing tonight. कह दो कि तुम मुझसे दोस्ती करोगी.
सी मैं देखूंगी एंड मैं सोचूंगी
Okay.
एंड मैं कुछ 1-2 मिनट में ना कर दूंगी.
Are you going to be like Mr. Kamra again?
See, Arnav, I don't think that we can be friends because you and I are completely different and I don't like bong men.
So?
I'm so sorry, I just like bong women. They are
Even
hot.
I do.
Yeah.
Even I do. कोई मुझे bong woman दो.
मुझे there's one friend of mine, Ria. You might know her. She's Mr. Chakrabarti's daughter.
Ria Sen, I like her. I love Ria Sen.
Welcome back to our podcast, Relationships Aajkal, where we discuss pressing issues pertaining to every relationship, be it with your partner, your friends, your parents, or even your neighbors. I'm Prajakta.
And I'm Kalpit, and we will be your host for today. Before we move forward with today's episode, let us give you a preview of what you are in for. Our today's episode is
How to lose bad friends and influence people. In this episode, we will be going down the memory lane and recounting our friendships, the one which stuck and the ones whom we bid our goodbyes. We will be specifically talking about which ones shouldn't make the cut and how to identify harmful friendships before it is too late. So, congrats, Kalpit, on our 10th episode.
10th episode. This must be 10th week, right?
Let's not go down that road.
Yeah.
But yes, I'm happy.
Yeah, a lot of things happened over past 10 episodes.
Yes, now when I go back and listen to our first episode, मुझे अभी से उनमें गलतियाँ दिखना चालू हो जाती है. Not that we have improved drastically since that day, but I
Yeah.
like that we have started something together which we like,
Yeah.
and as a bonus, people also like.
Yeah. 153 people.
But that's 153 just on YouTube.
Yeah.
There might be a separate audience on Spotify and everything.
Yes.
So, Kalpit, we have already done an episode on the theme of friends.
Episode 2.
Yes. Episode 2. ये
Where-
दोस्ती क्या हम तोड़ेंगे?
Amit ji had a very important question to ask Rekha ji.
But yeah, that episode was predominantly about whether your childhood friendships last till the end.
Correct.
So this episode, even though it's related to the friendship part, it's more about which friendships to avoid.
Correct.
And I think that is a very important guide,
Yeah.
especially for people our age, where we aren't too young and we hopefully, thankfully, aren't in that midlife crisis wala zone.
Correct.
Like at this age, I do not have the energy to make new friends.
Correct.
I'm exhausted. I feel exhausted with that very thought of doing the whole drill, of actually getting to know someone, putting in efforts. It's almost like dating.
Correct.
And at least in dating, you get the other perks, which you don't get in friendship. Yeah. Friends without benefits. That's friendship. And
Friendship is still far-fetched. I don't even want to call my clients to ask for data. I've reached that level. Even that is an effort for me.
oh God, I feel you, yeah. So, when we have reached this stage where you have recently started adulting and now you are in a serious phase of your life.
Correct. Becoming famous with podcast and all. Yeah.
But yeah, like this is the phase where we have sort of left behind the fun times. Not that we don't have fun now, but it obviously is a package.
Correct.
You have a lot of things going on, especially on your personal front. This is a time when you are actually rising up the ladder. So at this time, it is very crucial to be surrounded by a good flock of people.
Yes.
And this is the time when your friendships actually play a major role. So I think that it's very important.
To now start cutting people off. Because you're getting famous, you don't want them to get any pie of it. They haven't done anything.
I think you are the one who will be cut off from your friends list.
Yeah, those two friends.
But yeah, see, when you have your bad share of friendships when you're younger, it does not cause you a lot of damage because you do not have a lot to lose.
Correct.
But at the time when you're actually rising, bad friendships might affect you more than you imagine.
Yes.
It's not going to be at a superficial level anymore कि अरे मेरा एक friend कम हो गया. That's not the only loss you might face. There are people जो friendships में अपना पैसा गवा देते हैं, family गवा देते हैं, crucial opportunities गवा देते हैं, just because of not having a trusted set of friends in your circle. Obviously this is not the time when you make new friendships because usually आपकी ये time तक you have a set of friends. Either they might be from your school days, your college days, or your colleagues, anyone. This is the time when you make friends organically.
Correct.
You don't seek out friendships. You don't go and actually go forward to see आज मैं 4 friends बनाऊंगा. Friends बनाना बहुत important है. Now it just happens naturally, organically.
You attract like-minded people.
Yeah, that's it. Like if you just click with someone and you find your thoughts compatible with that other person, you become friends with them.
Correct.
And that's it. So we don't need a fresh introduction of how to make friends at this juncture in our life. It's for
Exactly.
people, it's for kids who have just started going to school, or it's for kids who have graduated high school and going to college, and then they have to make a new set of friends. It's important for them but not for us, because I think अपना अभी set है almost.
Correct.
But the very important thing now, rather than making new friends, is जो तुम्हारे existing friends है वो ढंग के हो.
Yeah.
Because अभी वो close knit group क्या होता है, your close circle क्या होता है ना, उसका importance अभी पता चलने लगता है. Because you start going through a lot of big things in your life. And you
Correct.
suddenly realize who's there with you and who isn't. Sometimes you should just notice the red flags and let certain people go.
Correct.
Because having them itself is quite taxing to you. So cut them off before you actually face some serious damage.
Correct.
Some irreversible damage which might cost you.
So I think in this episode what we are going to do is we are going to discuss the different type of friends
Yeah.
which we have cut off
Or you should.
or we should have
Yeah.
based on our experiences.
Yeah.
So I have made a list of 3 types of people, of friends, which I don't think I should be friends with. And I think even you have done the same.
Yeah.
And we have not read each other's points.
Yeah. As
And
usual.
we are just going
Too
to...
much privacy.
Yeah. And we are just going to read out our points,
Yeah.
discuss our life experiences. And let's see.
Okay.
Do you want to start?
Okay. So for starters, this might seem like a very negative thing to discuss कि oh, which friends to cut off, अरे friendship तो pure होती है, blah blah blah. See, we might have made some mistakes in our past, made friends with the wrong lot of people, but it's never too late. Cutting toxic people off is not a bad thing.
It never is.
It's a service to yourself. So my first point, which I firmly believe in since a long time, is never make friends with someone who is either at the same level
Okay.
or in the same department
Okay.
or a similar role
Okay.
in your workplace.
Sort of your workplace competitor or something.
Yeah. Like someone who might be at a competitive position with you.
Hmm.
If there's a gap in your designation, or if you both are posted in different departments, different areas, different roles, that's fine.
Hmm.
But if you both are almost at par,
Correct.
please never be friends with your. First of all, my biggest mantra is never be friends with your colleagues.
Hmm.
But obviously, if you're going to go to a place where you're going to spend at least 7 to 8 hours of your day, you need to have a good support system. So, yeah, you need friends at your workplace also. You need people who make you feel good, whom you can depend upon. So, yeah, be friends with your colleagues, but please be very sure that they are not at a competitive level with you. Because
Correct.
sooner or later, the competition will seep in.
Hmm.
You might think कि अरे नहीं ये तो मेरी दोस्त है, she's such a good person, no one will harm anyone, bros before hoes, सब बोल दोगे. But then जब वो प्रमोशन का टाइम आएगा या वो रेस का टाइम आएगा ना, तो दोस्त को ऐसा तुम इम्पोस्टर जैसा काट दोगे और आगे निकल जाओगे.
I don't know. He was acting kind of sus. And then anyway, when we are saying friends, by that we mean friends who know stuff about you, who with whom you share your insecurities, with whom you can be vulnerable.
Yeah.
So that kind of friendship is what we're talking about.
Correct.
We're not saying that you go to your office and don't talk to anybody.
Yeah, like me.
And like me. And like me. So
Yeah, don't do that, kids.
yeah, we have 0 friends at our office.
I have one.
You have one, yeah. So the thing is that we're talking about friendships.
No, I have two.
Why you counting your boss in it?
Oh, damn.
So the friendship which we are talking about here is friends who know your secrets, your strengths, your weaknesses, and things
Correct.
like that.
Correct.
We are not saying that don't talk to your colleagues.
Mm-hmm.
By this point, I'm sure you mean that only,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, correct.
Correct.
Obviously, like, do all that small talk, be connected with them,
Yeah.
have some good times, but do not depend on someone.
Exactly.
And you know what? It's actually unfair of expecting from them कि bhai you'll cut me some slack in this competition.
it's-
That's unfair. वो person भी कमाने आया है, आप भी कमाने आए हो. See, workplace is not a place जहाँ पे आप लाइफ लॉन्ग के आपके relationships बनाने के लिए आए. That's not your primary motive of going to
Correct.
work. Your primary motive is scaling up the heights, earning
Correct.
money, getting a raise, getting promotions. So that should be a primary objective, friend or no friend.
And most of the times, what happens in these kind of friendship is because you think he's your best friend,
Yeah,
he will be fair with you.
yeah, yeah.
He will maybe in the competitions play soft. But
That's not fair.
yeah, exactly. It's like saying ki a lion should not eat me because I going to eat lion.
Yeah, yeah.
So a friend whom you thought was your friend, and if he chooses to maybe step over your head and
Yeah.
take that promotion, you shouldn't feel bad about it.
And then the problem is you definitely will.
That is why.
That is why don't be friends with your colleagues.
Correct. And I think my first point is sort of similar to this only.
Okay.
So my first point was be cautious of friends who belittle you. So see, my first point has two opposing ideas.
Yeah,
But it all stemmed from one thing.
right.
Don't be friends with people who belittle you. Also, don't be friends with people who are jealous of you.
Okay.
So, people who belittle you will never take your achievements seriously. These are those people who will keep on saying कि हाँ but मैं तो उसको जानता हूँ उसने better किया है.
Right.
Remember
right.
that video which we were seeing, that there were two girls, young girls, who were just talking to each other like, my dad
Oh, yeah.
has a golden tooth. Like, give it up, my dad has diabetes.
So you want to say that the people who will never give you full credit of your achievements
Exactly, yeah.
in its entirety, they'll
Exactly.
somewhere just shrink it down.
They'll just discount it
Oh yeah.
for some weird reasons or some weird explanations.
Mm-hmm.
Such that you will feel अच्छा ठीक है शायद मैंने कुछ इतना बड़ा किया ही नहीं था.
Oh yeah, no, that's
And exactly opposing idea is people who are jealous of you.
right. There's a lot of that thing of people being jealous about you, and you might think that यार फिर ऐसे तुम लोग friends कैसे हो सकते हो? Like believe me, when you are grown up, you have to be friends with all sorts of people.
Correct.
Till we were in school and almost till the times we were in college, we got to choose our friends. We got to choose our people. कि if we are in school, I can choose मेरा friend कौन हो सकता है. It can be someone जो मेरे बाजू में बैठती. It can be someone जो किसी और division में है.
Correct. I never talked to anybody who was out of my, I mean, who was other than A division.
Oh yeah, you had
I
all
was
that
in A
classism
division.
stuff,
Yeah,
na?
ekdam.
Marxism. Not Karl Marxism.
I had a dream. Was he the same guy?
No.
Cut it.
Oh my god. And I tell people you are the smart one in our relationship.
I don't know. Those people will never come to know about it because it will
Yeah,
be
we'll cut them
edited.
Coming back to what I was talking about, we got to choose our friends
Correct.
when we were younger. But now, when we go to a specific place where we do not have that sort of flexibility, you might like someone, but वो किसी और department में कहीं और है. तो obviously, you have to make do with people around you.
Correct.
जो आपके टाइप के नहीं होंगे, जिनके साथ आपकी वेवलेंथ्स नहीं मैच होती होगी, बट यू स्टिल हैव टू बी विद देम टू सर्वाइव.
Correct.
सो देयर माइट बी चांसेस जहाँ पे सम अनडिजायरेबल पीपल come into your circle
Correct.
and you sort of cannot shake them off.
Yeah.
So even if you cannot, at least stay away from them.
Correct.
So I get your jealous wala point.
And I think for jealousy, there is actually never a solution.
Yeah, you
If
always say that
somebody-
one thing. What is it?
Suspicion,
नहीं say it in its full flavor in
शक
Hindi.
और जलन,
Mm-hmm.
इसका कोई इलाज नहीं है.
क्या बात है
Yes.
Irshad. Babe, let's be honest, none of us are saints.
Yeah,
Even we feel a tinge of jealousy when we look at someone achieving something really great.
शाहरुख का मेरे को क्या पता, मतलब I am not jealous of him.
Oh god.
Hmm.
So yeah, even everyone has that percentage of थोड़े sins in them,
Correct.
and that makes us humans. So that's fine. But if there are people who let those bad feelings come in between you, and somewhere if that overpowers them, and if that's their default setting,
Hmm.
so it's better if you stay away, because somewhere vibes and thoughts matter,
Yeah.
especially of your close people. So yeah, good point.
Hmm.
Okay, so my next point is, and this is from my experience of being alive
Hmm.
and interacting with humans, is
Hmm.
I don't know, this is such a personal thing, okay. I feel like not a lot of people might relate to this, but I know there's a certain percentage of people out there who would very much vehemently agree with this, and that is, I'm sort of wary of overly sweet people.
Yes, I know what you're talking
I'm
about.
glad you are in that percentage,
Yeah.
by the way. That's why
Yeah,
I'm happy to have you. But
I know.
overly sweet people, these are the type of people who always have a fake smile plastered on their face.
Good morning.
Fuck off. So, continuing. I mean,
Good night.
someone who's just positive all the time. This is not some normal positivity. This is ऐसा someone who has read a lot of motivational books and crammed up all the lines. I hate people who are too sweet. अगर आप बोलते हो कि आप में एक भी परसेंटेज ऑफ गुस्सा नहीं है, एक भी पर्सन का जेलसी नहीं है, एक भी पर्सन ऐसा यू आर नॉट envious of someone, or you don't get angry at anything, and you are just at this nirvana stage in your life, I will slap you and मेरे को देखना है कैसे तुमको गुस्सा है. I do not trust people
Yeah.
who are too positive. It is not physically possible.
In 2020, it is not.
No, never it is not. मतलब एटलीस्ट जब से मैं जिंदा हूँ तब से तो
Yeah.
इट्स नॉट. मुझे तो बचपन में भी इतना गुस्सा आता था. आई वॉज अ किड. तो अभी तो प्लीज.
There is actually a term called toxic positivity.
And if that person, by the way, I've seen that video and I've sent it to one or two people. Anyway, so I cannot trust people who are always too
Yeah.
sweet to you. And it's a typical वैसा चाशनी में डूबे हुए लोग ना. I don't know. It's too sweet to be true.
And see, beyond the point, वो fakeness दिख जाता है.
Yeah, I mean, if you are showing that you're happy all the time, then I will conclude it with you're the biggest faker of all the time.
Yeah. I understand there are people who are not really, what you say, not angry all the time, or maybe not sad.
They are not us, yeah.
I can imagine that you don't really have bad days. चलो वो भी मान लिया, गुस्सा नहीं आता. But how can you not have neutral days? How can you be happy all the time?
I know. Like, I like my people a bit bad.
Yeah, मतलब I'm not saying you go beat up somebody, yaar. I'm not saying that.
Not bad boys.
हाँ.
I can be your bad boy. Can you be my bad girl? ऐसा सब
Yeah.
नहीं. Normal, ऐसे normal bad लोग.
Yeah, I mean, I'm just saying that be real.
Yeah, exactly.
Be real.
That looks human.
Yeah. So I get it that you're not really affected by such things or maybe that, but
Or they have really high patience levels
Yeah,
or
but-
optimism.
there is a threshold.
Correct.
And don't tell me you've never crossed that threshold.
And especially, see, I can understand if you're interacting with these people for just a day or two. तो तब तक obviously मतलब कुछ खराब नहीं हुआ होगा तो you must have seen and happy. But if you spend at least more than a year or a half with them,
And they did not
And they-
snap even once.
exactly, that's scary. I cannot be friends with a person जिसके साथ I cannot be
I'm just
a bit
saying one
human.
thing. Be real. And I'm not saying that
No,
I have
चलेगा,
problem
don't be
with-
real.
Yeah, I'm not
just
saying.
you don't be my friend.
Yeah.
That's it. Bas. You're not my friend. I'm not your yar.
Mind your life.
smile. Okay, so what's your next point? Yeah?
My next point is be wary of people who treat you like God. And by God, I mean those who remember you when they want something.
Oh, wow.
These are the people I tell you. It's like they'll just take, you'll just give. And these are the people you should be really careful. Now
Right.
that you're famous and all. Yeah.
What? कौन? किधर?
See, these are the people who will creep in your life now.
Oh yeah.
Because they're friends with you. Because you know somebody, either because you can do something which nobody else can.
Right.
So these are the people who are not friends with you because you're such an interesting person. These are the people who are friends with you because you have such an interesting power to do something. So I think you should be very careful with such people who are friends with you only because you can do something and they want something.
Yeah, sadly, people like them around as fans. They keep them around as fans because obviously you need your personal entourage of people who pump you up and.
Yeah, and also, if you are my friend and you want something to be done, small talk mat karna, please.
मैं वही बोलने वाली थी. Actually, sometimes I like people who just want some work.
Yeah. मतलब just call me up. Whatever you want, ask me. Don't ask me, और कैसे चल रही है married life? I know you don't care.
एंड अगर तुम पॉडकास्ट सुनते तो तुम्हें पता होता कैसी
एग्जैक्टली
तो
सब्सक्राइब तो किया नहीं, लाइक तो किया नहीं.
लायर स्पॉटेड, ही इज अ
Yeah,
sus,
he's a sus.
such a
He's an
purple
imposter. So I mean, be very careful around these people
yeah.
because you might think, अरे इसके लिए अभी कर देता हूँ, कल को even he will do something for me. No,
Yeah.
no, he won't.
Oh god. Yeah, I've fallen into that trap before. And not because I wanted something in return, but somewhere you feel ki, there's no harming in helping someone else.
Yeah.
But then sometimes that's the only thing they want.
Yeah, I mean, I kid you not, there were such people in my life. I would never pick their calls.
Oh god.
I mean, एक friend कम हो जाएगा चलेगा.
I know. So my last point is not that this is the only point in my life. I have a lot of points, but yeah, due to brevity of time.
फिर बोल देते हैं यार इतने बड़े पॉडकास्ट को कौन सुनेगा
कोई
एक
नहीं
बार.
बोला झूठे. Anyway, so the last point in my list is people who gossip. A
Shit,
lot.
it's the same point in my list also. It's the same point.
See, I'll tell you why. Because even we both love to gossip.
Yeah.
But I'm not talking about normal gossip. I'm talking about that level when there are certain people in your life who have nothing good to say about even one person in your circle.
Yeah.
Matlab, somewhere you have this magical power of finding a fault in everyone around you
Correct.
and telling that to you.
Correct.
So if there is someone who bitches about everyone to you, chances are you are being bitched about by that person to everyone.
Full generosity के साथ.
I mean, we both love a little dose of gossip. It's more like knowledge is power. We just keep knowledge of everything. It's like news. It's like
Yeah.
news. Instead of watching कि दिल्ली में क्या हो रहा है and पार्लियामेंट में कौन किसको पीट रहा है, we keep news about हमारे close people कि उनके लाइफ में क्या हो रहा है और उधर
वो
कौन
किसको
पीट रहा है.
Yeah.
Yeah. But we never discredit people. Even the people whom we hate from the bottom of our hearts. लेकिन अगर उनमें कोई अच्छी बात है, if they achieve something good, obviously we appreciate that, we admire that in a person.
अर्नब
कि-
की आवाज बहुत अच्छी है.
हाँ, we use it.
अर्नब बहुत अच्छा है.
क्योंकि
Imitation is sincerest form of flattery.
तो fine, a little bit of gossip is fine, mostly because we do it. But if there are people in your life who just cannot talk, वो जो एक है ना I love you but, तो जैसे उनके केस में होता है this so and so person is good, but if it is always followed with some bitchy comment about that person, please cut them off, because when they don't think good about anyone in their circle, they don't think good about you too.
Correct.
Stay away.
Correct.
पता नहीं
And-
तुम्हारे बारे में और क्या क्या बातें हो रही है बाहर.
And sometimes I feel such people think that because they have this news or because they know something happened with somebody,
Yeah.
that is how they can form new friendships. And also, if you're just telling people about acha something happened with them, that's okay.
And that's okay. Like news. बस
Correct.
like.
But sometimes it's like, अच्छा वो पता है क्या बोल रही थी तेरे बारे में. If it goes to that extent, no, I'm sure you are also talked about in the other circles equally.
Badly.
Yeah.
I know.
And it is, I mean, a small gossip here and there is fine. If a person just keeps on talking about people every time you see their face, then I mean, you have to be really careful. And I'll strongly suggest don't share anything which is happening with you.
Okay, doctor.
Yeah. So the thing is, these are the people, I think, out of every other type which we discussed,
Yeah,
I think this is the most toxic one.
that is true.
And how can you be? I know just a while ago we were discussing ki how can you be positive all the time. It's the same.
Yeah,
How
it's
can
just the
you-
other end of the pole.
Yeah, I mean, how can you not have a single person for which you feel good?
I know. See, you are so right in that. Ki every person has their own flaws and their qualities. So I get that feeling ki you might have mixed feelings about a person. Ki this person is not completely black, completely white. It's in the gray area. Fine. बट आपकी लाइफ में कोई तो एक होगा ना जो जिसको आप ऐसा अनकंडीशनली प्यार करते हो, वो फ्लॉज नहीं दिखाई देते. एक माँ के लिए वो अपना बेटा होता है कि ओ ही इज़ द परफेक्ट लिटिल बॉय इन द होल वर्ल्ड एंड ही हैज़ नो फ्लॉज. तो हर किसी के लाइफ में ऐसे लोग रहते हैं, वो पेरेंट्स रहते हैं, वो फ्रेंड्स रहते हैं, स्पाउसेस रहते हैं. अगर इफ लाइक अपेरेंटली वो पर्सन के लाइफ में ऐसा कोई नहीं है कि no matter what flaws that person has, no matter how bad that person is, I love him to death.
Correct.
अगर ऐसा कोई नहीं है इनके लाइफ में तो भाई ये आपका भी सगा नहीं है.
Exactly.
Please stay away. So it is better if you stay away from negative vibes for your own well-being. If you want to prosper, please stay away from these kind of people. And this is the smallest list we could hit you with.
Correct.
But baby steps. It's okay to have less friends. It's okay
Yeah.
if you do not have ऐसा पूरा एक group of friends to show on your Instagram कि oh my god, I'm surrounded by so many loving
Yeah,
people.
you're not mean girl that you need to have 4 other mean girls with you.
I know. It's like editing. Editing के बारे में बोलते हैं editing an article or editing a book कि जितनी unnecessary details, जितने unnecessary words आप हटा दो, that's good editing.
Correct.
तो remove the unnecessary people, remove the unnecessary elements in your life, declutter your life
Correct.
and stay happier.
Correct.
It's okay to have few friends, fewer than before, but true hope.
Correct.
So this is the end of our 10th episode.
Yes.
I'm happy we had this journey together.
Yes.
I know
even
there are
I
many
am.
more episodes to come. This is not the end, but
Correct.
we just like to celebrate small landmarks.
कम से कम 500 सब्सक्राइबर तो होने चाहिए आपका this.
But yeah, I'm liking how this is going. This is something new that we both have ventured into.
Yes.
But yes, that's a nice thing. And this is something that we truly wanted.
Correct.
We have been thinking about this for almost a year.
Hmm.
And honestly, I couldn't do this with anyone else except you.
Because I'm not in any of these 5 points which we discussed.
I'm just waiting to get married so that we
Yeah.
can do this. मतलब ऐसा नहीं. I know people. Oh, fuck.
Good honeymooning,
अरे,
tiger.
अरे, अरे. This does not paint you in a good light. Alright.
But I know, and it doesn't matter the number of people who listen to this, or it doesn't matter the number of people like it, or maybe it's those messages which we get every time after the episodes about how they liked the episode or how they thought it's relatable.
Oh, I like that. I
And-
really like that.
And when it starts to go beyond your set of friends or your family,
That's when you know it's true. That's what I like about art, babe. Ki, for a second, people relate with someone whom they don't even know.
correct.
And that's so beautiful.
And I think even if it makes 5 people happy, there's just
Correct.
5 more
So that's
happy
your
people
mom,
in the world.
your dad, my mom, my dad, and then fifth हम toss कर लेंगे मेरा भाई या तुम्हारी बहन.
वो that depends on कब कौन busy था.
So 5 people done are
Yes.
happy. Cool. And that is all for today, you guys. Thank you very much for joining us. Like, follow, and subscribe to our podcast and tune in every weekend for a brand new episode. Subscribe to our channel on YouTube and follow us on Instagram with the same username. You can also find us on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, JioSaavn, or wherever you get your podcast dose from with the same name Relationships Aajkal. See you next Saturday, one relationship at a time.